Everybody is looking for the ultimate sweet treat, and baklava might just be it. This flaky golden pastry is a symphony of layers. Picture this: thin sheets of phyllo dough, generously buttered, stacked high, and filled with a mix of chopped nuts. It's then drenched, yes, drenched, in a luscious honey syrup that's pure magic. The best part? That first crunchy bite, followed by a wave of sweetness that makes your taste buds dance. And did you know baklava has been delighting people for centuries? That's right, it's a dessert with history, beloved from Greece to Turkey and beyond. So, next time you're craving something sweet, skip the usual and dive into a piece of baklava. It's not just a dessert, it's an experience. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Thanks for watching, dessert lovers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty tidbits.